Okay, if you have the phone calls issue with your Sony WF-C700N, I can show you two ways how you can try to fix it. So the first one, it's very simple by going to the Bluetooth settings when you are connected with your earbuds. Then click on the settings icon and be sure that this switcher from the phone calls is turned on. Now, if you still have this issue, I can recommend you to perform the hard reset of the earbuds. So you can just basically forget the currently connection. Then you have to close your case for a few seconds until the indicator lights up, then open it, and now locate this button next to the USB-C port, and you have to click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking red. First it will go to the blue, but after a few seconds of holding this button, it will go red. So just be patient and wait a little bit, and there we go. As you can see right now, it is blinking red, and we can release this button. Now the reset is complete, and we can click and hold this button one more time to enter for the Bluetooth pairing mode. There we go. Now go to the pair new device, and from the list you just have to select the WF-C700N. Accept the pairing. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Bye bye.